Move these bags right now. Right now means at this moment. Do not wait. I am sorry. We are waiting for our hotel bus. This is our first night here. You cannot wait here. You are blocking the door. People need to walk here.
I am cold. Oh my dear.
We must go inside the airport.
I am freezing.
My phone battery is dead. I cannot see the hotel name or address.
Dad, do you remember the hotel name?
No, it was a long English name. I only saved it in my phone.
We cannot stay outside all night.
The airport worker said the bus stops here.
Mom, Dad, please stop fighting. People are watching us.
I am sorry, Megan. I just want to keep our family safe.
I know, but we need a new plan.
Dad, the hotel was green, and there was a big tree on the sign.
Good job, Vanessa. The hotel name is Pine Tree Hotel. So, we look for a bus.
A bus with a green tree.
Mom, my feet hurt.
5 more minutes, Eli. Just 5 more minutes. Why don't we go to the restaurant on this side of the road?
Well, it will be less cold inside. Hello. What can I get for you? The kids will order.
Do you have pasta? I want pizza. When will we arrive, Mom?
My son, we will arrive very soon. Don't worry at all.
We just need to find a bus. A bus with a green tree. If we find that bus, then we have arrived.
If we waited outside, the children could get sick, so it was necessary to come inside. It's very cold outside, right?
Yes, Mom, it's so cold outside. We couldn't bear it, so we came here.
We care about you more because you are our child. We do what is best for you, always. Come on, kids. Finish your meal quickly. Then we'll find our destination.
Okay, Dad.
We can't wait outside for long, so we have to find this bus quickly, no matter what.
There's no doubt. You're right. We have to get to the bus quickly.
Dad, we are very cold.
Don't worry, my child. We won't have to wait long.
Is there any other option? The children can't stay outside. It's very cold.
This is our first time here. We don't have an address. We need to turn on our phones.
We can also use a taxi. At least we will be saved from this cold.
The problem is not with the taxi. The real problem is with the address. We don't know it. Phone is dead. It won't turn on.
Oh no, what will happen now? Why don't we take a taxi to another bus stop? Maybe we can find that bus there.
That's a good idea. Maybe we can find that bus at another bus stop. Let's try and see. Stop here. Every bus in the city passes here. You will definitely find your bus. Thank you. I sincerely hope we can find that bus from here.
We think so too.
My children, I am so sorry that we are suffering because of me. Please forgive me.
No, Dad, it's not your fault. You're trying your best. I'm sure we'll get there soon. Look! The Pine Tree bus!
Hey, stop!
Stop, Pine Tree! We are here!
Whoa!
Pine Tree Hotel?
Pine Tree Hotel? Yes, come in. We are going to be okay.
Yes, we already are.
Finally, we are warm.
I thought we would stay outside all night.
Mom, are we safe now?
Yes, baby, we are safe. You were very brave tonight.
I just didn't want to miss the bus. America looks so big at night.
Yes, and this is just the beginning. Today was the longest day of my life.
And the coldest.
Dad, will we live here now?
Yes, this city is our new home. Pine Tree Hotel, we are here. Okay, everyone, we made it.
Wow, the hotel is really tall. It is very big.
Yes, it is. Thank you for stopping for us. You're welcome. Have a good night.
Finally, somewhere warm.
It's so warm in here. Mom, I'm really sleepy.
Oh, Eli, I know. We will rest soon.
Okay, Mom.
Good boy.
Hello, we have a reservation.
Welcome. May I have your name?
Jason, Jason.
Thank you. Room 408. Elevators on the right.
Thank you.
Today felt like the longest day ever. I am so happy to be going home now.
Room 408. It should be here. Let's keep walking. Here we are. I use the key card now. The light is green. Good.
This room looks perfect.
The bed is so soft.
The city looks beautiful.
We finally made it.
Yes, after a very long day. Today was scary.
But we stayed together. Tomorrow is a new beginning.
Our new life starts here.